Hello guys, this is Bright. Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to use this cordless pressure washer. Step 1. Attach the 6-in-1 nozzle. To attach the 6-in-1 nozzle, push it straight into the washer's port until it clicks. Then twist to lock in this right place. Always check connections before full pressure and keep the spray away from people or pets. Need extra reach? Add the extension rod between the nozzle and the washer. You can directly connect the extension tube to the body. Twist to lock in this right place. Then check the connection. Then connect the nozzle, push it straight and press again. Twist to lock in this right place. After connecting, ensure that the nozzle head is parallel to the body and facing down. For foam magic, you can use our foam bottle. Simply add car wash liquid or other cleaning solution directly into it. You can directly connect the unit using the same method. Press it and twist to lock in this place again. After connecting the water hose and the high pressure will cause the foam to spray out. Want more or less foam? Just rotate this dial on top to adjust the mix. Similarly, the foam bottle can also use the extension rod. Step 2. Connect the water source. Unscrew the water inlet cape. Option 1. Connect to a bucket. Firstly, connect the water hose. Before connecting the hose, thread the cape through the hose. After connecting the hose to the machine body, tighten the cape again to ensure the hose is securely fixed. Locate the other end of the hose. Thread it through the water pipe clamp and unscrew the clamp's knob to secure it to the portable water bucket. You can also use the weighted filter for added weight and water filtration. Once everything is connected, tighten the water pipe clamp and you're ready to use it. Option 2. Large water bottle. Switch to the short hose and connect to the water bottle. Press and pull to remove the water inlet. Then connect to the water bottle. Now you have a portable washer station. Option 3. Garden tape. Use the facet connector. First, unscrew the knob. Before connecting the water pipe, do not forget to thread the cape through the pipe first. Then tighten it and screw it onto any facet. Connect the other end of the water pipe to the main unit. Repeat the process of securing the water pipe, and you are ready to use it. Step 3. Power up. Slide in the battery until it clicks. That's it. Meanwhile, the pressure level will be displayed on the screen, which can be adjusted manually. You are ready to blast away dirt on cars, pet shows, or even outdoor gear with the wonderful cordless pressure washer. Thank you.